One cold winter morning, Elsa, the Snow Queen, flew across the sky on her icy sled, leaving sparkling trails of snow behind her. She was on her way to Paris to visit her good friend, Esmeralda. Esmeralda, a kind-hearted gypsy girl, had invited Elsa to the city's famous winter festival, where people from all over the world gathered to celebrate the season with music, lights, and delicious treats. Elsa was excited to see Esmeralda again. She had always enjoyed Paris, with its sparkling lights and beautiful architecture, but this time, it was even more magical. The whole city was covered in soft snow, and the streets were decorated with twinkling lights that made the city look like a fairy tale. When Elsa landed in front of Esmeralda's house, the two friends hugged each other tightly. "I'm so glad you're here," Esmeralda exclaimed. "The winter festival will be amazing." As they walked through the snowy streets, they could hear the sound of laughter, music, and people singing carols. The air was filled with the sweet scent of pastries and hot chocolate. Elsa was having the time of her life, but little did she know, danger was coming. Suddenly, the sky grew dark, and a fierce wind howled through the streets. A tall, shadowy figure appeared, surrounded by swirling snow and ice. It was a powerful sorceress, her eyes glowing with cold fire. "I am Freya, the Winter Sorceress," she declared, her voice echoing through the streets. "I have come to take control of this city's weather. Paris will never be the same again." Esmeralda and Elsa exchanged worried glances. "We can't let her take over Paris," Elsa said. "I have to stop her." Freya laughed. "You think you could defeat me, Snow Queen? I am far more powerful than you." With a flick of her hand, Freya summoned a blizzard that covered the entire square in snow and ice. Elsa quickly raised her arms, creating a barrier of ice to protect herself and Esmeralda. "You may control the snow, but I control the cold," Elsa said confidently. The two sorceresses stared at each other, their magic crackling in the air. Elsa and Freya raised their hands, and a fierce battle of ice and snow began. Freya's blizzards roared, but Elsa's snowflakes danced gracefully, turning into sparkling shapes of light and beauty. The battle raged through the city, with Elsa using her ice powers to protect the people and keep them safe from the fierce cold. But Freya was strong, and her magic was powerful. Esmeralda, watching from the side, had an idea. She ran to a nearby stall and grabbed a large bag of glittering snowflakes. "Elsa, use these," she shouted. Elsa caught the snowflakes and sprinkled them into the air. The snowflakes glowed brightly, and a soft, warm light spread throughout the city. Elsa's magic combined with the magical snowflakes from Esmeralda, creating a wave of warmth that began to melt Freya's icy powers. "No, this can't be happening," Freya screamed, but the warmth was too strong.